This video will show you how to edit your photos with Adobe Photoshop, and then we're going to be showing you how to make professional compliant photos with Adobe Photoshop, and I'm also going to be showing you how to use photopad image editor to personalize your image. I'll be showing you how to do the both projects. The first project I'll be showing you how to do it is to work on Adobe Photoshop first. On the desktop, I'll open up Adobe Photoshop. Next, go to File, click on Open. Next thing, this is my old image. I'll select a new one. Go to Power Pictures. Go click on Thumbnails. You're going to scroll down, then you will find the apply the photos for your own project. Double click on the photos that you like to do to select. I'm going to select my own photo, which is this one. Next thing, when you've done that, you will create your own photo. Click on the text icon, then you will move the icon, the text icon, move like that, and I want to name it as if you don't know the company, you can type it as, my example is Western Buildings, but when I look at the logo, which is that means that it's Waitrose. That's why I now identify the company. Waitrose Building, and then you will be able to adjust the size. Double click on the text, then you will right click, then you can adjust the text. You can also adjust the text 40p. Click on the arrow symbol. No, but you should not make it too large, just leave it like that. Remove the no. You can also what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new note. For that, I'm going to make my own note. Next, I will go ahead and I'll select the author, which is this is my name. I'll type in my note. And from like that, you can also add another note. I'll add another note for the pro picture. You can also set this as a wallpaper, even if not in the company office, because this picture is too personal. If you're working in Waitrose, but you are working as a home ordinary user, you can use this a wallpaper if you wish as a desktop background. But you can install it yourself that you still work there and you use a home PC. in your home and you still like to provide more support. Okay, but that can be but that can be, but I'll adjust the pictures for the right rows to Logotopia. Next I will go ahead and I'll move those windows around, and I'll add another note. And we're done. When you've done that, you organize those or hide those. And then that is done. I'll adjust the size of the image. I'll go ahead and I'll use a brush tool. Next I'll create my own color arrows. And also and another note. Next we are done, we will add another note. I'll add a blur tool. But when you're done, I'll go ahead and I'll save as. Next I'll go to my desktop, go to Photoshop projects, then I'll name it as where is building? I'll save that, save as, close it, then I'll go to photopad image editor. When you've done that, wait for the menus to come up, and then click on open image, go to the desktop, click on Photoshop project, click on the image that I created right now. This is the old one, I'll click on this is the new one. Next, when you've done that, you will be able to go to another text. No, I missed all of my notes, but don't worry about that, that's normal. You can add your own text, go ahead and click on apply. And next, apply the caption, click on apply. Remember my choice, do not promote it again, I will change my decision when in time in my options. Check like that, click on apply, and then you will be, no, then I know why it's not. I'm going to write the chapter caption. You can also adjust the hue of the image. like that. That's a much more better imagery. I'll adjust the brightness of the image to make it more lighter, and the contrast. You can see here this is the most recommended part of adding your own photo, and I'll increase the gamma to 1.160 meter. Next, I'll increase the saturation. You can also increase the saturation. Next, I will increase the saturation to my own level, which I like. Next thing, I will save as. Next, I will override the but before doing this, click on File, then save images as, then go ahead and rename your file to, on my desktop I'll create my own new folder, name a new folder, or name it as weight rows. And then click on the quit and save. Click on replace existing files. Click on this to confirm. When you do that, I'll show you the picture. Wait for it to load in. That's unmodified. What we're going to do is to go to my other pictures. Next, it is our modified ratio of picture. Now I found it's going to be modified picture. When you did that, you can also save it as the desktop background. Right click on desktop, click on properties, go to the desktop tab, click on browse on the right hand side, go to desktop, then go to my edited pictures, double click on weight rows, or do single click and click open. The desktop will look at on that monitor. Apply, and then when you've done that, go to your themes, save as, save it in your themes folder in your Windows directory, and the Windows C equivalent back to Windows as themes. Windows, that's how to do it. You can also do this part of practice if you are working on an office. That's a standard practice for all of you. I'll revert back to the original theme. But I'll delete the theme in which I showed you now, which I saved it. I'll go to resources, themes. I will delete the weight rows theme. My mouse is not working, but it now works. My wires does that, but that's okay. And thank you for watching this video, and feel free to like and comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.